Now to get this DJI to record continuously, all you need to do is press this button. Okay, so I'll show you how to do this. Now we've already preset this up, so this is already Bluetooth to that. Okay, so now all we do is turn it off. Okay, so it's completely off. Start her up like this, so we press them on, so it's on. So you've got that blue light now, so that blue light's telling you it's already been connected and it's been Bluetooth to something, regardless what it is. All we need to do is just press this one on with a switch like that, and that's live recording now. Now we can switch on our AcePro on there, just press that on. There's me, you can see me. And this now is already connected to this. All right, so we don't have to worry. There is no little thing on the top there saying it's connected, because it's not. We're now recording on this and this. So when we press this down, it's all automatically knows this is on. So we can press that on. So that is now recording on this one and on here. So you know you can't lose anything, because this collects your information up to, I believe it's 16 hours. So you can get 16 hours of conversation on there, or until the battery runs out, which is in around about 6 hours time. But as long as that light is on, you're recording all the time. Now if you want to pause that, all you do is press that button like this, and that's paused. Okay, that also means that that won't be recording from that anymore. It's recording directly from your camera. Okay, there might be a little bit of delay inside that camera, but never worry about it, because obviously it will catch up eventually. But you've got to remember. So we then decide, oh, we want to put it back on again, press it in, and we're going live again. So the same thing is, now this one comes on board, all your sound is coming out of this one into this. Okay, so you know where you are. That is very simple and very easy. I say that. It took me a bit to get my head around it, because the instructions that come with this is pretty odd, to say the least.